In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom form in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded form ready to collect leads, subscriptions, or contact messages. Start by opening Wix.com and logging into your account. From the site's dashboard, choose the site you built with Wix Studio and click Edit Site. Once your editor loads, add a space for the form. Click Add, then Section, and choose a blank section where you want the form to live. Change the section background to white or a strong brand color with good contrast so your fields are easy to read and accessible. Now let's build the form. On the left-hand menu, click Add Elements. In the search bar, type Forms and go to Contact and Forms. Click Create New Form and give it a moment to open the Wix Forms dashboard. On the form canvas, add your core fields. Drag in first name, last name, and email. Click each field to edit it in the right-hand panel. Update the label so it's clear. Add a helpful placeholder like enter your first name and include a brief description if you need extra guidance. Make all three fields required to ensure you capture essential details. If you need more information, add address as a short text or paragraph, a phone or ID field as short text, or even a file upload so users can send documents or images. Next, add choices and confirmations. From the general section, drag in a multiple choice or single choice field and rename it. For example, are you able to communicate via email? Add yes and no as options and mark it required. You can also add a checkbox for I agree to terms and conditions, or use a drop-down when you have a longer list of options. Give your form context with headings. From layout elements, drag a header onto the form and change the text to something like subscription form or contact us. Add a text element beneath it to explain the purpose, such as sign up for our newsletter and updates. Open settings in the form's dashboard to fine-tune behavior. Set the submit button text. Choose where submissions should go via email notifications and add a confirmation message or a redirect URL after submission. If you plan to charge for entries, add a payment field, link it to a product or donation, and connect your payment method in the site settings. Click Save in the form's dashboard. Return to the Wix Studio editor, go to your blank section and choose Add Elements, Contact and Forms, then Add Existing Form. Select your new form and place it in the section. Optionally, create a dedicated page. Click Pages, add a standard page, name it, then add your existing form and style the page with a hero, heading, and short description. Finally, click Preview to test, fill out the form, submit it, and confirm you received the submission or see it in the form's submissions list. When everything looks good, click Publish to make it live. That's how you create a custom form in Wix Studio. By adding a section, building a tailored form with required fields, choices, and optional payments, and placing it on a page or page menu item, you can collect leads, subscriptions, or contact info cleanly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the content. See you in the next one.